But when you talk about government synergy, this government has a completely different view in terms of how they perceive modern healthcare. Even in the event that CII held in Trivandrum, the political leadership stayed away, which led to Mr. Najib, who was the host, lamenting about the government not wanting to touch even with a coal the private medical industry. How do you, in such circumstances, when you say it's imperative to get that seal of approval from the government to go outside and do a promotion, and the reality being quite different on the ground, as key industry leaders in healthcare with lot at stake, how do you drive that collaboration?
That's a see. There has to be pan-partisan. This is beyond ideological differences. Like healthcare is a fundamental right of every citizen. So whatever private healthcare exists because there's a vacuum in public services. We are only supplementary, complementary, and collaboratively together. So I don't find that the classical division between because private cannot exist unless public, because our regulatory bodies in the public sector, whether it's to do with clinical outcomes, the structure of a hospital, everything is with the public sector. So we are living in that ecosystem of public and private partnership. So the big question to be asked in our state is that with a growing disease burden, how are we going to meet the demand supply gap? We are the #1 diabetes state in the country. We are the #1 geriatric state in the country. In all NCDs, we are in the top few. This is a massive. So if you say that only public sector can cater to this, that we are living in a fairy tale kind of an environment. So we have to have an ecosystem of exchanging ideas of how both parties can come together and collaborate. That is win-win. So that is the way forward. You can have different. You can also agree to disagree, but at least the journey should continue that we are in dialogue. If there is no dialogue, then there is an issue.
Is there a dialogue today?
Yes, there is a dialogue.
But I think Kerala as a tourism spot is promoted mainly by the private sectors and not by the government. Why don't we also do that? Let the government take care of the infrastructure, the hygiene and all that, and the promotion will be done by us.
No, but the government plays a key role in the tourism promotion.
It has, but we can't depend on them.
We should immediately take an appointment with the key stakeholders in Trivandrum and present this opportunity of Advantage Healthcare, which is a Government of India event, that if Kerala becomes the partner state for at least this year's event, they will give us posting rights next year. Simple thing. So we could get our society and all that registered as part of this journey. So at least that synergy and momentum will go forward and it will benefit everybody. That's one thing which we can immediately do, and we'll have to thank you for that.